Okay, so at this point what we're going to do now is we're going to run through a few different examples or applications that we've been able to use the Accusorb shields, the arm sleeves and the torso leg sleeve that we have, and we'll show you guys how easy it is to use and how effective it can be. So if you want to follow me, we're going to take you inside. Hopefully we can get some half decent shots, but we can't take the camera too far in the room, of course. But we'll hopefully get you something that you can see how easy these are to use. So in this instance, this would be a typical abdominal exam that we would do. The patient in a supine position, normally we would bring their arms above their head. For any images that we take with our face, that would be right to left, that we'd have to use a no phase wrap or use a larger field of view. But in this case now, with this patient, we no longer have to do that with the arm sleeves that we have. These are them right here, very light, flexible material. They're basically going to act as RF absorbers. We're going to put them on each arm. Very flexible. There is indicated MR side, outside, so it's pretty self-explanatory. The arm goes in the hole. So I'll show you right here what it would look like. One arm goes through. That's perfect. Another arm. The patient leaves them tucked in by their side. And then you continue procedure as normal. Coil would go over top, and you'd easily wrap the patient up. Just like so. So it's not any more complicated than that. In the case if they had an IV, the IV itself just runs up the arm. It's not a problem. Patient is now more comfortable. There's no rush to get them down before their arms get tired from having their arms extended above their head. Patient, no problem fitting in the magnet for the most part. Still leaves you the option if it's a very large patient, you can bring their arms above their head, no problem. But for your average patient or an elderly patient, you put the RF shields on, you're not rushing through the scan, no worries.